Welcome back, my friend, to Toolbox Tutorials. And today I'm gonna show you how to create vision board just using Canva. It's really simple and easy to do. So let's begin. So first thing you wanna do, you wanna go to Canva, press templates. After that, you press in here and type in vision board. After that, you can choose from a lot of templates. As you can see, it have a lot of templates. So for this example, let's choose this one so you know how to do it. After you open it, you press customize this template. And then you can either upload your image or use elements. So for this example, let's use some elements. Uh, let's press photos. And for example, let's use this coffee mug. You drag it, drop it, and it's straight in your vision board. If you want to edit or align it, you just double click it and you drag the picture and press done. As you can see, picture is aligned. So again, let's press elements and let's select maybe this one. Let's drop it here. Again, I want to align it a little bit so you can see the lungs. So you double click it. Let's align it. You press again, done. As you can see, it's all aligned. So you can edit it as much as you like. You can insert shapes. If you watch my other videos, you can know how to do it. Even you can change layers. I also explain how to do it. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to finish it. So you name it your vision board. Let's name it Toolbox. And let's click share. So you can either copy the link, make a public view link, or just download it straight to your computer. So you press download and you can select the size which you want. So let's select 1920 on 1080 pixels and press download. As you can see, it's generating and it's already done. So I hope you learn how to do it and see you next time.